Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm really excited about today's video because I got my hands on the brand new perfume from Kayali. So if you have been watching my channel or you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am obsessed with Kayali perfumes. I especially love Kayali 28 and I rave about it any moment that I can. So when I saw that they came out with a new perfume, I was so excited. I knew I had to try it and get my hands on it. And I'm so excited to share my thoughts with you all, what I think about the fragrance, all the details of that as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, then let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you feel like you enjoy it or if you want more content like this. And be sure to turn on your notifications so you do not miss a single post from me. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have with me the new Kayali perfume, and this is called Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper 25. First of all, the box is so gorgeous. It's in alignment with all the other boxes that Kayali produces, but this one is just so pretty and it has pink on it, and I am definitely here for it. A little bit of background information on the fragrance. I was watching Mona's YouTube video regarding this new fragrance, and she said that it took them 3 years to create this. And if you didn't know, there's a number behind each of the Kayali fragrances, and this new one happens to be Pink Pepper 25, which means that it took 25 trials in rounds to perfect this fragrance. I think that's so cool when a brand releases detailed information like that, because you know that they really took their time to create a fragrance that they think that we're going to love. So I'm just going to go ahead and smell the fragrance, show y'all the packaging, and then I'll read the notes and give y'all my overall thoughts. Okay, so the bottle is so gorgeous. As you can see, it's got this metallic pink color to it, and I absolutely love it. The actual shape of the bottle is the same as the other Kayali fragrances, but this one just stands out with this beautiful metallic pink packaging. So I'll give y'all a close-up of what this looks like. So this fragrance comes in 3 different sizes, which is really cool because typically they only launch 2 sizes. This is the first time that they actually launched 3 different sizes. So they have their 3.4 fluid ounce, which is the bottle that I have currently. They also came out with their 1.7 fluid ounce, and then they also came out with their travel size, which I believe it's like 0.33 ounces. But I think that's really cool because if you don't want to commit to a full-size bottle, then you can definitely try out the travel size and you don't feel like you spent a huge penny on it. And I really do think that's great. All right, so now for the fun, I'm going to go ahead and spray this fragrance, then read the notes and give y'all my thoughts. Wow. So this isn't what I expected. I thought this was going to be more of a gourmand. It's not a gourmand, but it is sweet. So in that opening, I definitely get that blast of pink pepper, which I would expect because that's like the most prominent note in this fragrance. Oh, this smells good. I'm getting a little hint of floral. I'm not sure if it's a white floral, but I am getting a little hint of floral, and I'm also getting vanilla, and it smells really, really good. I noticed that Kayali actually mixes vanilla in quite a few of their fragrances. This is a really good fragrance. So to me, this is very sensual. This is really sexy. This is more of a nighttime fragrance, but there's elements in here that makes this still really flirtatious and fun. So I kind of think of somebody that they're like a boss, but when it's time for them to have fun and kick back their feet, you know, kick up their feet and relax, and kind of like go out and have a night out on town, I think that they will wear a fragrance like this. It's really good. It's like a deep, warm, sweet, but very sensual fragrance. I like this. Again, it's not what I expected. I thought that it was going to be more on the gourmand side, but this is sexy. And I believe they said that this one is intense. So it's supposed to be, the sillage is supposed to be great on this one, as well as the projection and the longevity. So I'll definitely have to test that out. So I'm just going to spray it on my skin too, just to kind of see how my body chemistry reacts with this and see what notes kind of stand out to me on my skin. I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit, but I really want to show y'all the atomizer on this bottle. It is amazing. It's one thing that I absolutely love about Kayali fragrances is their atomizer. It is so good. So as you can see, they have a continuous mister, which is so great. So you don't feel like you're wasting products. Whew. Okay, so now that this is on my skin, I'm really smelling the sweetness. I can still get that pink pepper, but I'm smelling something sweet like vanilla. Yeah. And there is a floral note in here that's standing out to me, but it's really good. It's not overwhelming either. It's not cloying. It is intense, but it's not like it's going to give you a headache. I mean, to each its own. I don't know how it's going to be on you, but it's not overpowering to me. I don't feel like this is going to give me a headache. Now, I will say it is intense, so I probably wouldn't overspray this just because you don't want to do too much, but this is really good. Yeah, I like this one. This, to me, reminds me of the elixir that they have mixed with Vanilla 28. It's like the elixir, Vanilla 28, and Deja Vu White Flower just like smacked together and had a baby, and they came out with this one right here. It smells so good. I think that this is a smooth fragrance as well, and that's what I really like about it. I love pink pepper and it's really standing out to me, but that blend with the sweetness and the floral notes is really, really good. So let me read the notes that are actually in this fragrance for you all. All right, so in the top notes, this contains pink pepper, bergamot, royal lily, and saffron. In the middle notes, there's Bulgarian rose, and then there's rose centifolia, as well as magnolia and vanilla orchard. And then in the bottom notes, there's sandalwood, patchouli, sensual musk, and golden amber. So that's where that sweetness and warmth is coming from. Definitely from that amber and from the vanilla and the musk. It smells really, really good. In the dry down, for me, that's where the most of the sweetness is coming out. But right in the opening, I'm getting that blast of pink pepper, and I'm also getting rose. Now, I don't really smell bergamot, and I also don't really smell sandalwood too much, so it could kind of be a little hint of it. It's not really overpowering to me, and it's not really standing out to me. But the rose and the pink pepper and the vanilla amber musk really makes this so, so good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this fragrance. I say that this is definitely good for the nighttime. I mean, you could wear it whenever you want. I always say that fragrance is personal, so you can wear it in the daytime if you'd like. But I personally think that this one would really stand out at night. It is just so good. It's sweet, it's sexual, it's sensual, it's seductive. Honestly, it's my personal type of fragrance. And I think that this fragrance would be great layered. So I'm going to try it out, but I'm going to try to layer Sweet Diamond with Vanilla 28 from Kayali. I feel like that would really be good because it'll actually give it a little bit more sweetness and a little bit more warmth. I think that'll be a great pair. So I'm going to try that out for y'all and let y'all know what I think about that. But this is such a good fragrance. I love the fact that Kayali fragrances can also be layered with other fragrances and they work just as well. So again, I'm going to try to layer this one with Vanilla 28 and see how that one works as well. All right, y'all. So here are my thoughts on the new fragrance from Kayali, which is Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper 25. So overall, I think that this is a great fragrance. It's definitely not what I expected. I expected this to be a little bit more on the gourmand side. I was expecting it to be like a cream, a vanilla. I don't know. When I thought Sweet Diamond, that's what I was thinking of. But this exceeded my expectations. It smells way better than I thought. The pink pepper stands out to me, the rose, and the vanilla and musk and amber. So in that opening, I get a blast of pink pepper and it smells so good. But once it dries down, it gets a little bit sweeter and I am here for the sweetness, okay? I love that balance and that mix between a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness, and a little bit of floral. That's like the perfect combination for me. So I'm a huge fan of this fragrance. I can't wait to wear it out and test out the longevity of it. But so far, this is really good. I think it's great for the nighttime. I think it's great for date night. It's really sexy. And I think that this is for someone who really is serious. They're about their business, but they also know how to have fun. They're well balanced. They're well rounded. They like to have a good time, but they're also mean business. That's what this fragrance is to me. It's a little sweet, but it's also kind of like seductive and alluring, and I'm here for that. I love fragrances like that. This fragrance commands attention as well, and again, I'm here for it. So overall, I really love this fragrance. I'm so happy that Kayali came out with it. It doesn't smell like anything that they have come out with, but if I had to compare this to something, as I mentioned, it smells as if Deja Vu White Flower, Elixir, and Vanilla came together and had a baby. That's kind of how it smells, but it also has its own feel and its own touch. And I really love it. I'm looking forward to seeing what else Kayali comes out with because they just do such a great job with their fragrances, with their packaging, and the presentation. And the price point is pretty affordable. So I'm always down for an affordable fragrance. So shout out to Kayali. I think y'all did a great job with this fragrance, and I just cannot wait to see what's new. All right, y'all, so that is everything. So comment down below and let me know if you purchased the new fragrance from Kayali. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you haven't purchased it yet and you do love Kayali fragrances, let me know which of the Kayali scents is your favorite. I would love to know. So be sure to comment down below and let me know. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. You can also follow me on social media, on Twitter and on Instagram. My handle is at Ikea Alexis, which will be linked down below in the description box. And that is everything, y'all. I hope you have a great one. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.